Welcome to our show, Future Trends. Today, the search of extraterrestrial life, Exoplanet K2-18b. Imagine being able to travel through the universe and land on a distant planet. 124 light-years away from us, in the constellation of Leo, lies K2-18b, a place that might offer us the answer to one of the most captivating questions: are we truly alone in the universe? K2-18b is no ordinary planet. As a mini-Neptune with 8.6 times the mass of Earth, it orbits its star, a cool red dwarf, in just 33 days. A star that is among the most common in the universe, showing us the true diversity of space. Our curiosity drove us to look closer. With the James Webb Space Telescope, we delved deeper into the atmosphere of K2-18b and found water vapor, methane, and carbon dioxide. Water, the foundation of all life as we know it. And where there's water, there might be life. NASA believes that beneath the hydrogen-rich atmosphere of K2-18b, an ocean could be hidden. A place where life might thrive, perhaps unlike anything we know. But that's not all. A molecule called Dimethylsulfide, which on Earth is only produced by living organisms, might also exist on K2-18b. A subtle yet thrilling hint that we might not be alone. The journey to K2-18b is one of hope, curiosity, and wonder. With every new discovery, we come closer to answering the question that has intrigued us for millennia. Is there anyone else out there? What do you think about that? Let us know in the comments. Stay tuned as we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more updates and exciting topics.